Mom, what do you think? Look at my shoes, aren't they great?
My God, you look like a gangster.
My name is Tom Shelby.
I built this shit! Me! Brick by brick!
¿Cómo se llama?
Antonio Montana.
This is Sparta!
But I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no
power. Real power doesn't come to those who are born strongest or fastest or smartest. No.
Dogfight. You had to dig deep. Give us your thoughts. Surprise, surprise, motherfucker! The king is back!
No retreat, no surrender. That is Spartan law.
What's coming to you? Or what's coming to you? The world, Chico.
There you go. Energy. Let it out. 7, 8, 9, 10. A machine here. There you go. Nobody works like David in this house. 13. Come on. 14. Come on. 15. Shut that muscle down. 16. Come on. Get it. 17.
You don't know me, son.
Get it. 18.
You don't know me, son.
Get it. 19.
You don't know me, son.
Yeah. 20. You got some more in you. 21. Yeah. Get it again. Come on. We want to see it. Good. 22.
Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs?
That's you, buddy. Come on. 23. Come on. 24. One more, David.
Who's
one more?
gonna carry the boats?
You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do it. You did it. Yeah. Spartan law. We will stand and fight and die.
Bud, I'm stopping this one now.
No, okay, let me finish. I gotta prove it.
Prove what?
I'm not a mistake.
I go to sleep, I wake up, I work, go to sleep, wake up, work, do that 7 days a week. I'll have to do that for a while.
Damn, Ron, come on! What's the matter with you?
Come on.
There is no tomorrow! There is no tomorrow!
You're up 2-0. What's the story? Are you not happy, or you're only half happy, or?
Still to be happy about.
You're up 2-0.
Job's not finished. Job finished? No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Well, everybody, it's Groundhog's Day again for David Goggins. If you pan it down here, you see it's about 3 o'clock in the morning, and there's not a car or a person in sight. If you pan over here, it's the same thing. Not a car or a person in sight. People want to know where I find my strength at, where I get my strength. I get it from a lot of places, but right now, this morning, I'm getting it from, there's not a motherfucker that's up. There's not a car, there's not a person. Everybody's in their bed, sleep, dreading that it's a Monday. Hate it's a Monday. And I'm loving it. I'm loving that where everybody's getting weaker, I'm getting stronger. It's not about the running, the swimming, the push-ups, the sit-ups. It's about what those things do for your mentality. You don't get better on the daggone couch. You get better by coming out here and getting the fuck after it every daggone day. Stay hard.
Mine? Go ahead. Please. What about you, Victor? You think you're a man now?